Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic PHP cookies. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is PHP cookie. So the cookie is used to identify the user. We can create the cookie, retrieve the cookie and delete the cookie also. So first of all, how to create the cookie? So the syntax of the creating cookie is set cookie function and then semicolon. So after using this you can create a cookie. So after that in set cookie, in the function what we have to write is the cookie name, the cookie's value and the expiry. After that the time, then domain and is the cookie secure or not and then semicolon. So we have to set the name of the cookie, after that the value, then the expiry date of the cookie, after that time, then domain name and then secure. If the HTTP, suppose the HTTP is the ranking 0 and the HTTPS is known as 1. Because the HTTPS is secure and the HTTP is not secure. So in this way we can use the cookie in PHP. So now we are discuss about the example of PHP cookie. So the example is further like PHP tag start and PHP tag close. After that we will take a variable that is cookie name and then the value and then semicolon. Suppose my cookie name is Rupali. After that we will set the cookie value. So we will take a variable that is cookie value and then the value, after that semicolon. Suppose my value is Sharma. After that we will create a cookie that is created as set cookie. After that the function, in function we will write the first of all dollar cookie name and then dollar cookie value. Dollar cookie name and then dollar cookie value. After that we will write the time and then plus the time is 86400 into 30 because this is a 1 day and after the 1 day we can calculate the days, that is 30 days in a month. After that the file path in this way. After that semicolon. So we have created a cookie. So now to check the cookie if it is been set or not, we will use the conditional statement. So now we will use the if statement to check the cookie if it is set or not. Suppose we are using if statement, in between this we will pass a function and then semicolon. After that we will write if set, after that brackets, in between this we are asking if our dollar cookie is being set, that is cookie name. So we are asking if our cookie name is being set, then curly braces start and close. In between this we will pass the echo to print the cookie name. So we will write here in double quotes that is dollar cookie name. So in the display screen, if our cookie name is been set, suppose my name is Rupali is been set in cookie name. So if we are asking display this, so it will be displayed as Rupali here. So if we have not set the cookie name, it is been empty here and we are asking if cookie name is been set, then print the value, but the cookie name is not set, so it will be empty here. So in this way we can use the cookie